Ever felt like a confused student in a kitchen you didn't sign up for? You've got 10 tabs open: SQL, Python, Excel, Power BI, AI tools, and no clue what you're actually trying to make. It's like someone handed you a bunch of ingredients, shouted, "Become a data scientist," and disappeared. You try following 5 recipes at once. One says bake, one says boil, another says blend. You're chopping numbers without knowing why, stuck in tutorials, drowning in dashboards, and still hungry for clarity. Truth is, you don't need all the recipes at once. You just need to learn how to cook one simple dish, understand it, season it, serve it. Once that clicks, the rest makes sense. Until then, you're just stirring chaos. In today's world, people chase dozens of courses: data analyst, data engineer, machine learning, without ever cooking one full meal. And to illustrate, Tadiwa and her mom are discussing about data. Let's hear what they have to teach us.
So Mom, tell me, you're saying learning data is like cooking?
Exactly. You don't need to be a master chef of every dish. Start with one recipe.
Data isn't just raw, it's ingredients. You need time, process, and intuition to turn it into a meal worth serving.
Focus on one. Learn to chop the onions, stir the pot, taste, adjust.
You mean I can start with, say, just data cleaning?
Yes, master that. Make it tasty, then move to the next course.
But in today's world, the way we approach learning data analytics is full of mistakes. Mistake number 1, watching cooking shows all day but never touching a pan. And mistake number 2, you guessed it, switching meals every 5 minutes.
So what's the first recipe you think I should try?
Start with something simple like a CSV file. Chop, stir, serve, and stay curious.
Learning data isn't a buffet. It's a journey of taste, skill, and simplicity. Start with one meal. Serve it well.
Okay, I'm cooking data now, one bite at a time.
You're in high school, trying to learn data analytics, but it feels like everything is coming at you at once. Python, Excel, dashboards, machine learning. It's like someone dumped every ingredient on the table and said, make something. And you're just standing there thinking, wait, what are we even cooking? Feeling lost in the world of data? Don't worry, you're not alone. At Tarisa Impact, we turn confusion into clarity, one step at a time. Whether you're just starting or already in the game, we'll guide you through the skills, the tools, and the mindset you need to grow a real career in analytics. No fluff, no chaos, just simple lessons, real talk, and stories you'll never forget. So follow us at Tarisa Impact, where curiosity meets action and careers begin.